Okay, so one day I was just sitting at my teacher's desk, minding my own business, and One Punch Man came over. This is grade 12 general again. I was like, "Hi boss, what do you want?" He said, "Mister, I have a gift for you." I was like, "A gift? What is it?" "One smash, maybe two." I was like, "Here we go again. Please, no, I'm done with this smash." He said, "No, mister, I have a list." "What, you think you're Israel or something? What do you mean I have a list? What's this?" He pulls out a list of names of teachers. I was like, "Okay, so who else is on the list?" He's like, "Miss Ciara is on the list." "Miss Ciara? Oh, you mean Miss Sayera, your English teacher?" He's like, "Yes, mister." I was like, "No, you need her for your English." He's like, "No need, only smash." I was like, "Okay, fine. Who else is on the list?" He said, "Miss Afra." "Miss Afra, the student counsellor. She's here to help you." He's like, "No, mister, one smash." I was like, "Okay, but I get two smashes, yeah?" He said, "Yes." I was like, "Why?" He's like, "You are on top of the list." Like, I don't know if I should be honoured or horrified that I'm on top of the list. And I said, "You know what? I don't have time for this. Forget it. You know what? After you graduate, catch me outside. How about that?" He said, "Mister, tell me where you live, your home. I will come to you." I was like, "You know what? When you graduate, I'll tell you where I live. Then we'll see, huh?" He's like, "Yes, mister, we will see." And now it's like almost time for graduation. The time has come, and it is now kind of scary for me. I am terrified because I gave it all the big talk, and One Punch Man is still there waiting for me. Yeah, wish me luck, everyone.